I'm up in labor and delivery, and look what I just found in our call room / office. Look at that. We've got a baby and a random half torso. Oh gosh, there's another baby under there. I'm gonna show you a couple things while I have you here. Hold on, here we go. If burping this way is not working so well, here's what you do. Ninja turtle hold, okay? Ninja turtle. These 2 fingers under an arm, and these fingers holding baby's jaw because their heads are pretty floppy. They don't have great head control. And you sit them on your lap, okay? Burping this way, so much more effective, I promise. Honestly, give it a try. It's so good.